Ever wondered how the wealthy make their money work for them while they sleep? What if I told you there's a secret method to growing your cash without lifting a finger? In today's video, I'm revealing the untold strategies to earning interest on your money methods you're not hearing about in the usual financial advice. Ready to unlock these secrets? Let's dive in. Imagine a book full of financial secrets. Today, we're about to open that book. Interest is essentially a reward for lending your money to others. It's the extra cash you earn just by allowing someone to use your money for a set period. But the real question is, how can you tap into these interest earning opportunities? Most people rely on traditional savings accounts, but the interest rates there are barely enough to grow your wealth. Yet, even this small step can start building your foundation. However, there's much more than meets the eye. Want to see your money grow faster? High interest savings accounts or money market accounts could be your next step. These options are usually provided by online banks, which often offer higher interest than traditional banks. But remember, there's something even more powerful coming up. Imagine locking away your money for a set period and watching it grow at higher interest rates. That's exactly what certificates of deposit or CDs do. You commit your money for a fixed term, and in return, you get a guaranteed interest rate, no surprises, just growth. Bonds are another secret weapon. By lending your money to governments or corporations, you earn steady interest. These can be short-term, long-term, and everything in between. You choose your risk level, and the rewards follow. Now we enter the more advanced strategies: peer-to-peer lending and real estate crowdfunding. You become the lender, and regular people or businesses pay you interest. It's risky, but the returns can be big. The question is, are you willing to take the chance? Now, let me share with you the true hidden gem: compound interest. This is interest that grows on itself, creating exponential growth. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and faster as it goes. Remember, these aren't just strategies, they are your ticket to financial freedom. By using these methods, you can make your money work for you while you focus on living your life. The question is, are you ready to start earning interest on your money? If you're ready to unlock more financial secrets, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to uncover next. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who need to know these hidden strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.